everyone, this is Larry Jones with SITECH-INDIANA, and today I want to create a video on showing how to make an infield design on a small parking lot here. It's getting ready to get stone and asphalt, and apologize, can't see the entire parking lot. I'm working alone. There's a little corner, you won't see me, but we're just going to walk around and create an infield design, and hope you learn something. We got kind of a chair curb, and then we got a straight curb, and we just want to have where the asphalt's going to, the top asphalt's going to be, and so we're going to go ahead and create a brake line and walk around this thing. So do a little hamburger button, measure type, new line. We're going to do a brake line. We're going to call this, we'll say TOC for a toe curb. You can kind of call it whatever you want. And hit accept. And we're going to go and start shooting the very face of it. And you kind of want to walk down and take as many shots as you want. I feel like the more the merrier. Definitely make sure you get the brakes and elevation. So what we'll do is I'm going to kind of shoot where all the saw cuts are at. And if there's a high spot, you can see it, make sure you get that. And go ahead, here we'll zoom in. Good. See if I can find myself on the map. I saw it a second ago. Oh, so we're in 3D. So let's change that. There we go. Now we can see ourselves. Like I said, I'm just going to go along and get basically every saw cut. There's a little bit of belly here with this one, low spot. We're coming up to a curve here, so you kind of take as many as you want. You want to kind of, we're going to create this model, so we want to kind of follow it. So you can do 3, just do with both ends, the PC and the PT in the center of the arc, or you can do as many as you want. So we'll just kind of walk along it. You can see it's starting to look like something on the screen. And this is a handy for getting that stone just right before the asphalt guys come in. And this is the end of the chair curb. So what we have here now is a full standing curb. So what we're going to do is I'm going to shoot the top face of it, but we're going to put in the vertical offset of -1/2 foot. And so you go hit the hamburger button and go down to settings, measure. We need to make sure this measurement offset disabled. We need to enable that so we can put this vertical offset in when we measure this next line. Accept. Now go ahead and hit the can do the hamburger button, you can do measure type, or you can do the roller stuck in the mud. Get you there same way. And you see here we have vertical offset. So we want to do negative 0.5. Okay. And then we'll start shooting this top face of this curve. And there is, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there is a low spot, a handicap ramp. So when we get there, we'll have to make sure we lower or turn that vertical offset off. Otherwise, you'll have a low spot. So right here's the top, and it starts ramping down. So we'll go ahead and hit roller stuck in the mud. We'll turn this off, put it back to 0. Accept. We'll get the low spot of the ramp. Both ends. Now we're going to hit that roller stuck in the mud. We're going to put that vertical offset back in. 5. Accept. Continue down. What's nice about this parking lot, very middle of it, there's a drain. And this whole thing's sloping to that. So we'll shoot 4 corners of that in. We'll go ahead and change it. Our line name, we'll call it drain. Turn that off, put that back to 0. Stuck on mud. Okay, out of that. There we go. We have our parking lot all shot in. So let's go ahead and create a surface out of that. Data management, surface as design. Now we can name it. We'll just name it parking lot, and maybe like today's date. Today is October the 1st. And include or don't include the line work. We're going to go ahead and include it. Accept. To identify the boundary, we'll do the outermost points. Accept. And now we have our surface. So what we can do is put this back into the main. Go to projects, change project. This is where we can load it in the design. Right there she is. Accept. And there is our parking lot. Everything's from the edge, that'd be the asphalt, and then it's all sloping right down here to where we're standing in the middle. And you could use this on your machines and to grade it down. So if you have to drop it down a foot, drop it down to subgrade, and then bring up the stone, and it's just good use. Oh, now we have the cut and fill on, so we can walk around out here in the parking lot. As you can see, going up and right about there. So here you go. We just created our infield design. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you very much.